Hello, dear students. I am Jaspreet, Assistant Professor in Arya College. Today, I am presenting a topic on database management system and its concept. Before adopting the concept of the management system, we use the concept of file management system. File management system is that where we store the data in storage location. Now we learn the concept data management system. These are the some topics to be covered. First one is the basic definition, database meaning, what is DBMS, data dictionary, characteristics, benefits, demerits, database users, architecture of the database, data independence and its types. Before going to the concept of the database management system, we know about its basic definition. Basic definition includes first of all is data. A data is a raw fact and figure. Data can be any kind, it can be an image, it can be an audio, it can be a number or it can be a string. Next one is information. Information is processed form of data. It means after processing the data, we get an information. And the information is helpful in decision making and information is depends on the data. Next is the huge concept is and the main concept is database. A database is collection of related data. Data is used in every field where storage required. For example, the Facebook, some social medias also use the concept of the database because it also required storage where they stored their activities. For example, in Facebook they stored their friend member list, advertisements and so more. Next is what is database management system? A database management system or a database system. It acts as an interface between the user applications and the programs. Applications programs include Oracle, MySQL Server. We can use the concept of the queries to access the data from the database management system. We can use various database queries languages like SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, T-SQL, Oracle are the application program, SQL Server are the application program. These are used to get the data from the database and data stored in the form of RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It means data stored in the form of tables. Next, we learn the concept of the characteristics of the database. It means we know about the features of the database. Next, first is data abstraction. Data abstractions means hiding the internal details. It means only relevant information is provided to the user and this relevant information is provided with the concept of the three schema architecture. We use the concept of the multiple views of the data. User only see that they required. Next one is the benefits of the database management system. First one is the data redundancy. Data redundancy means the duplication of the data. It helps in reducing the data and some inconsistency problems that are in file management system. And it helps in securities problems, provides some protection mechanism, helps in integrity problems using the concept of the constraints like primary key, foreign key. It also provides concept of the concurrency management system where we use the locking mechanism to control the database access. Next, these are some demerits or the disadvantages of the database management system. First one is the cost. Cost of establishing the database management system is high. Its maintenance cost is also high. Cost of training staff, cost of establishing a new setup, cost of migration. Next is the categories of database user. Categories of database user, it means the user that are working under the database management system. The one of the most important is the DBA. DBA has overall responsibility to manage the database. It includes the end users, applications programmers, database designers, some operators, and the maintenance personals are included in DBMS management system work as a user. Next one is the three schema architecture, or it is also known as the three level architecture, where we learn the three levels of architecture. Here these are the schema. Schema, it means the blueprint of the database, or it includes the basic definitions or the structure of the database. These are some applications of the schema. Student code section. These are the diagram of the three level architecture, in which first one is the external view, also known as the user view. Second one is the conceptual view, it means logical view. Next, internal view, also known as physical view, where we store the memory location. Conceptual includes the logical or the implementation. External, it means user view. Every user have the different view. For example, student have different view and the teacher have different view regarding the database. Next one is the data independence, main important term regarding the data, because user does not have the access of the database. There are two types of the data independence in database management system. First one is the logical data independence. Second one is the physically data independence. These data independence comes in the layers of the database. Next, there is an end of the topic. So thank you.